What's up, Red Team? We just got to a car spot. Gonna check out these cars, see who's got what, see what's going on, and show you guys how we do an OC. Another show kept safe by the Costa Mesa police. Driving through Costa Mesa on the way home, just finished the show. I shouldn't call it a show, I should call it more of like a meetup. Like half show, half meetup, because obviously it was cool to go to see Ancillary Studios for the first time doing a little car show. But lots of people in the parking lot, lots of good cars, I would say. The thing about car shows is it makes you want to finish your car, and seeing all those project cars done, completed, clean. I mean, there were so many cars out there to appreciate, and honestly, nobody really caused any trouble, or like the cops were right there, right? So it was cool. Shout out to Costa Mesa Police. But I really want to get my car finished. I want to get all the damage repaired, and I want to get that thing supercharged. That's where we are on this build. Is like I've done all the things that I want to do except for the most expensive one. I agree. So. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you guys following the channel and supporting the content. Subscribe if you want to see more. I'm out.